ॐ श्री साई नाथाय नमः।
Saram. The immaculative love is the true power in universe. This is always mentioned by Swami. What is needed in this universe is the immaculative love towards each and every one. And to all of our surprise, we can find this love in all living creatures towards all human beings actually. It's all what we need is to love them properly, to understand the living, to understand their language of love. This is what needed. For most of our men and women, don't have time to look after all those things among our responsibilities and duties in this universe. We don't have time to even speak the language of love, and we find the time very rare to speak with lovable words to each and everyone. It's all I've become very selfish and without any devotion. By God's grace, still some sort of love remains towards the Almighty and His avatars and all in our country. That's how we are we could say that we are lucky. One such incident, then I could tell you. Perhaps many people don't know about this. The Jiva Samadhi of Siddha Purusha Ramadeva is at Madurai. It's at the hills of some 12 kilometers height in a hill from Kallalagar temple. So it so happened once the disciple of mine, he called me, he was doing puja over there. So he has requested me to join that puja with him. So even though I was not that much strong enough to climb that hill, I started climbing the hills with the group. So naturally the youngsters, they started walking very fast and they went very much ahead of me. Only myself and a friend of mine, they were walking together and slowly climbing the hills. In some time, we were misled by different directions. It was not the normal hills. Every day people are climbing. It is only in function time people used to go climb the hills. So we were misled and we were in a different place. It was a dense forest, so it is difficult to find out the routes and all since we don't find the right path. So I sat in a place and then we were drinking some water and started having some breakfast and all. So after 5 minutes, I was just concentrating. Then a dog came near me and he was standing and he started, asking me for food. Then I gave the biscuits and all, whatever I had, and after having that, and it was looking at me, I think it understood my agony of what I misled the route and all. So it started moving around. So with my knowledge, then I understood that Swami asked me to follow the dog. So just followed. In our Hindu religion, we don't say it's dog, we say Bhairava. So it's just started walking slowly towards the road. Here and there it was wandering. Anyway, just with great faith, then I started followed. Then I went and he took me to the correct path. After some 3-4 kilometers of road, then I joined the people. Then I reached for the hills and did the pujas and all and came back along with other people. This incident clearly denotes that Swami's love is immaculative in all souls, and it is proved in this incident.
ॐ श्री साई